Welcome to this video on how to make concrete more sustainable. Optimizing concrete mixes for carbon reduction is a complex area, but the main levers of influence are minimizing use of traditional cement, maximizing supplementary cementitious materials or SCMs, and minimizing overall binder content. Our newest range of Sika Rapid admixtures aims to allow very low levels of CEM1 by activating and accelerating the concrete binders to overcome the problems of strength development and challenging fresh properties that often come with these materials. For example, we launched Sika Rapid 800 Eco, which has been used by companies like Heidelberg Materials and McGee's to allow 50% blends in jump form construction at South Molton Triangle, which would normally be all CEM1. On that project, they saved 76 kilos of CO2 for every cubic metre used. They've also worked with us to demonstrate that the same blend rate can be successfully used in power-floated floors at Harwell campus. Both of these are large volume applications with a big impact on carbon totals for these projects. We can make concrete that is usable on site, complies with current standards, and with only 5% CEM1 using our latest addition to the range, Sika Rapid 950. This can reduce carbon by up to 80% compared to other commonly used binder blends like C3A, and boosting strength by 40% against our control. Sika Rapid 4 is one of our latest low CEM1 accelerators and is already being deployed by Heidelberg Materials on the HS2 Northolt Tunnel project, specified in this case by SCS to achieve high early strengths with low embodied carbon. We can also help with alternative reinforcement methods using our structural fibres to reduce the embodied carbon when compared to steel mesh.
At Sika, we believe cutting carbon should never mean cutting performance. That's why we take advantage of a global network of technology centres connected to leading academic institutions where innovation flows freely across borders and disciplines. And what is our approach? We chemically stimulate the active binder phases in any cement system, unlocking performance that was once thought impossible. Using state-of-the-art admixture technologies, we tailor solutions that push the boundaries of strength, durability and sustainability. And we don't work in silos. We cross-pollinate ideas across technologies, from polymers to nanomaterials, to create breakthroughs that matter, as witnessed by over 100 patents applied for each year. Today, we're working directly with specifiers and designers, showing them what's now possible and what was once impossible. Because at Sika, we don't just follow the future of concrete, we help invent it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be discussing efficiency along the value chain.